Hello again, everyone. I just wanted to do a little thank you video to a couple of people. The first one is to Left Hand Loki, because he sent me this lovely Abus shutter lock or monoblock for winning his second monoblock Monday. So it's got some quite good bitting on it. I've been trying to pick on this, and it took him a little while, and I still can't get in it personally. It's got a nice snap on it though. Nice ping on that shackle, and a nice spring on the core as well. So yeah, that's evading me. Hopefully I'll get it on camera one day, if I can get it at all. And then the second one is to none other than Mr. Peter Lewis, the Irish Lockpicker. He's been selling a few bits on Facebook recently, so I've been buying a few bits off him. The main thing I wanted when I saw it was his lovely, I know it's a Master Lock, but I like it anyway. It's a Master Lock 101. So sadly I did miss out on the number 19. I was close. That's the next one I'm going to get one day, hopefully one day. It's not bad for what it is. So with that, and then another one he was, is this the one? Yeah, this lovely 8-pin Abus Lotto. That's not too bad. That's going to be fun. I'll have to do a Lotto Lock Tuesday for that. I've only done a 7-pin Lotto. Not done an 8 before. So that'll be fun. Thank you very much, Peter. Looking forward to that one. And this lovely Federal SS series. Dead shackle, it seems. Again, bit's not too bad. So there's that. What else we got? Lovely red Master Lock. Just let me get my glasses. Oh. Master Lock. I can't see. Yeah, 6835. My eyes are shocking, aren't they? So there's that one. Again, it's something different. I've not got one of these in my collection. It's not too bad. That'll be fun as well. It's all good fun. What's this one? Another Master. Something. Let's get this out there. We don't need that. Who knows? Another Master Lock anyway. Another dead shackle. I don't think I've got one of those either. Then push key 2650. Again, another Master. I've not got one of these at all. I've got no push keys at all until this one. So thank you very much. And last but not least, I've got this other Master. Master whatever it is. I don't know. If any of you know, you can tell me. Always happy to know. Again, he just said he'd chuck a few in. It's not too bad either. So yeah, there we go. Just wanted to share with you and say more than anything, Thanks, guys. Thank you, Loki, for the giveaway and his wonderful labours. It's always nice to have a challenge, and that certainly is one. Thank you very much, Peter. It's been a real pleasure getting to know you a bit better, mate. So, yeah, that's it for now. Until next time, take care, everybody. Bye-bye.